third graders. Today we are doing math. Woohoo! And your learning targets today are I can find the perimeter of a shape and I can find the area of a shape. So think, what's the difference? Okay, let's look. I have a shape here. If you think about walking around the room, the outside of the room would be the perimeter where the baseboards are. The area would be where the carpet is. It takes up the whole space. All right, so let's look at this shape. If I am finding the perimeter of this shape, I am counting right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I try to teach kids to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The perimeter is 16. The area, at 16, the area is the inside. Perimeter is the outside, area is the inside. Perimeter is the outside, area is the inside. So if we're looking at the area, we would count inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know 4 plus 4 is 8. If there's 8 here, there's 8 here. I double that. That is 16. Otherwise, if you need to count them all, you can do that too. I just try to work smarter, not harder. All right, and look at this shape. Let's find the perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'm working smarter here, I know this is a 4. That means down here is 4. That's 8. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4. Again, 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Let's see the area now. What is the area of this shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at I'm counting the inside. And then I have another 8. They're both 16. The area and the perimeter both equal 16. Let's look at another shape. See if you can find the perimeter and the area. You do, pause the video and try it. See if you can get it. All right, perimeter, let's see what we get. Up here we get 2. For here we get 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know 4 plus 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Otherwise, you can go all the way around it and count if you need to. Area is the inside. Perimeter is the outside. Area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's the difference between area and perimeter. What you are going to do now is you are going to be working in your math journal. Now in your math journal, the first thing it's going to have you do is draw a shape with the area 5 by 4. That means you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to have 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I have 4 rows? 1, 2, 3 rows of 5, but I need 5. There we go. So now I need to find the area. Okay, now some kids will just draw the outside like this. And here I tell kids, if it's a big square, count by 5s. Look at it. There's 5 here. 5, 10, 15, 20. See how to do that? Okay, now when you look at a shape like this, it's going to tell you this is all blank by blank. So I don't really care what kids do. If you go, okay, this is a 1, 2, this is 3 rows by, how many are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or some kids will say this is a 7 by 3. For this, it doesn't really matter. I don't mark things wrong or right because you're going to get the same answer. Whether you say it's a 7 by 3 or a 3 by 7, you're going to get the same answer. The area then, now I tell kids, sometimes it's easier for me to count by 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and go like this. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Sometimes that's easier for kids. Sometimes it's not, and you can just count each square. I know my friend, Miss Judy, she tells kids just to number them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until they get to the end, because then they can't miss one or make a mistake. You need to find a strategy that makes you successful and go with that. All right, here's where you need to pause the video and you need to get your math journal out and ready. We are working on journal page 72. Journal page 72. All right, up here it says you are going to use this big square to draw a 3 by 5 rectangle. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. It's going to be 3 rows and it's going to be 5 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, does this make a rectangle? No, I don't have the right answer yet. I need to go down and gather 3 and close in the shape. All right. Now I am going to find the area. The area is the inside. So you're going to find the area. I like to count by 5s if I can. So go ahead, you find the area. Pause the video. What did you get? You should have gotten 15. All right, let's go into number 2. Draw a 6 by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many over do I have to go? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I have a rectangle yet? No, I need to close the shape. If you're doing this with a pencil, it might be easier to do with like a colored pencil so you can see where your lines are. All right, now I have to count the area, the inside. This is a lot of squares to count. So I'm going to try to work smarter. I'm going to try to count these by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. The area here equals 48. You go ahead and try this one. Try to draw a 9 by 5 and find the area. Now, when kids are at school, I tell them, if you want to practice finding the perimeter, you could find the perimeter of these shapes and just go like this underneath it. Remember, area's inside, perimeter's outside. If I find the perimeter, just to challenge my brain, I go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means there's 10 together down here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Look at that. I am making myself so much smarter because I can figure out the area and the perimeter. And that was my learning target. All right, now you are going to do number 3. Remember, count by 5s after you make it. That makes it easier for you to count. The directions change when you get to 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's look at how the directions change. You need to say what this is by. This is a 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I tell kids, think of it. It's 3 rows of 7. 3 rows of 7. Now you're going to find the area. The area is the inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to count by 5s because I'm good at that. So I always go 5, 10, 15. Now count down. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I have less counting to do when I can count by fives like that. It makes it easier for me to keep track. But you have to know how to count on. All right, so that is what you're going to do for 5, 6, and 7. So what I would like you to do here is pause the video, do 5, 6, and 7, and then come back with me and check your answers. Are you pausing the video right now? You should be. Do the work. Grow your brain. All right, hopefully you're done, and let's count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you got a 4 by 9, I'm okay with that answer too. All right, so let's count. Remember, I like to count by fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. The area is 36. Some kids last year liked to go like this. 9 plus 9 was 18, and they knew that there was another 18 here, and then they added those together. You know what? We're going to get the same answer. There is more ways to do math than just one. So whatever works for you, you should do. All right, let's look at number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, it's a 6 by 6. 6 rows of 6. Okay, I'm going to count by fives. I'm going to go across. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. The area or the inside is 36. All right, number 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 again. By how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness. What's the area? I'm going to count by fives. You guessed it. I love counting by fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Count on. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. It would have taken me forever to count all those third graders. Work smarter, not harder. Now, if you want to go back and find the perimeter of these shapes, grow your brain. Perimeter is the outside. Area is the inside. I'm going to go back and find the perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus another 7 gives me 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, area is the inside, perimeter is the outside. Okay, grow your brain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. All right, pause the video here and see if you can grow your brain and find the perimeter for 6 and 7. All right, here I go. Hopefully you paused and you have your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, my perimeter of my last one here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 on top. 9 plus 9 is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, third graders, I hope that you were on target today. I can find the perimeter of a shape. The perimeter is the outside. And I can find the area of a shape. I can find the inside. perimeter, outside, area, inside. I know I've said that a lot today, but we need to put it in our long-term memory and remember that. Remember to practice your math facts today. Have a great day.